In today's video, I'll show you how to download Windows 10 using Media Creation Tool step by step. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This process is simple and I'll walk you through everything in plain language. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Software Download and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official Microsoft website and click on it. This is important so you know you're downloading the correct and safe version. Once you're on the Microsoft Software Download page, scroll until you find the option for Windows 10. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Windows 10 download page. On this page, look for the option that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media. This is what we need. Click the Download Now button to download the Media Creation Tool. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Media Creation Tool file. If a security prompt appears, click Yes to allow it to run. This is normal. The tool will start and you'll be asked to accept the license terms. Take a moment to read them if you want, then click Accept. Next, you'll see a screen asking what you want to do. Choose Create Installation Media for another PC, then click Next. Now you can select the language, edition, and system type. Most users should choose the recommended options, which usually include 64-bit. Click Next when you're ready. After that, choose how you want to save Windows 10. You can use a USB flash drive or download an ISO file. If you choose USB drive, make sure it has at least 8 GB of space. If you choose ISO, the file will be saved to your computer. Click Next and the tool will begin downloading Windows 10. This may take some time, so just let it finish. Once it's done, your installation media will be ready to use. And that's how you download Windows 10 using Media Creation Tool. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.